Hi, I'm Todd Tankersley, National Sales Manager for Maxvan.com. We're a direct sell manufacturer for both wheelchair accessible vans and wheelchair accessible RVs. Since 1979, we have been manufacturing wheelchair accessible vans. And very recently, we decided to start manufacturing a wheelchair accessible recreational vehicle called the Pathway, which is the industry's first wide body wheelchair accessible Class B recreational vehicle. The chassis that we chose to build the Pathway upon is the Ram ProMaster high roof 159-inch wheelbase extended version. One of the most unique attributes to the Pathway RV is the 8-inch bump out. And what this 8-inch bump out allows is for a much wider aisle, a near queen size bed, and better access to the open shower area. Another unique feature to the Pathway RV is our patented rear access ramp, which allows for easy wheelchair egress and ingress, with everything being made in-house here in the good old USA. Let's talk a little bit about the ease of use of the rear ramp system. You simply let the lead floor down by a press of a button, you unbuckle the latches, and you extend the ramp out. And with its 14-degree ramp angle and 10 feet in length, it makes it extremely easy for a wheelchair to get in and out of the RV. Because of the 8-inch bump out of the Pathway, it provides an extra wide aisleway, providing the opportunity for most wheelchairs to do a 360-degree interior turn, as well as providing a near queen-size bed. Another unique feature to the Pathway is the open wet bath area, which provides ample room for an individual in a wheelchair to shower. Another unique feature to the Pathway RV is its open closet system. Whether you're hanging clothes or storing luggage, we make it very convenient and safe with our steel tab system. Our kitchen is very, very well thought out. It has all the creature comforts that one would need when traveling on the road, from the standard cooktop induction to the yacht-inspired sink to the 12-volt refrigerator. Water is easily accessible on the interior of the Pathway, from the sink to the shower to the toilet via our on-demand water pump system, or you can hook up to a city supply line. Now let's talk about the living room benefits of the Pathway RV. We have a couch that will convert into a near queen-size bed. You have the ability to utilize a toddy table. And for conversational purposes, the passenger side seat will swivel 180 degrees. Now let's talk about the wheelchair securement system for the passenger in the wheelchair. It's very simple. It is a 4-point tie-down system that ratchets. You simply put 2 on the front of the wheelchair and 2 in the back of the wheelchair, and you're good to go. The 3-point harness system works by utilizing a lap and shoulder belt for the occupant in the wheelchair. All of the exterior hookups for the Pathway are conveniently located in the rear of the vehicle, whether that be water, cable, or power. There are 3 different ways to power the Pathway. We have our house batteries, a generator, as well as shore power. And located on the exterior rear of the Pathway is where we have the plug-in for the shore power. The convenience of shore power provides the opportunity to run all of your appliances on the interior of the Pathway without all the noise from the generator. If you find yourself off-grid boondocking, with the press of a button, you can turn on the generator that will power up all of your appliances on the interior of the Pathway. Or if you wish to just run your 12-volt ancillary equipment like your plugs and your fans and your television, or charge some cell phones, you can do that as well. If you wish to store your Pathway RV, we do provide the option of completely turning off all systems by a battery cutoff switch. In regard to the interior construction of the Pathway, Maxvan has really paid a lot of detail to make sure the best components are used. From the metal cabinetry that's all fabricated in-house and then welded directly to the chassis of the vehicle, to the 5 sides being insulated by 3M Thinsulate material, and last but not least, there is hardly any to no wood utilized throughout the build process of the interior of the vehicle. Don't be fooled by the Ram ProMaster's large exterior. This is easy to see out of. You've got extended mirrors and camera systems that allow for lane changing and backing up the vehicle. It fits into most parking spaces. It also is equipped with wireless charging and CarPlay that you're going to find in most modern vehicles. Maxvan also offers optional features like your awning, a roof rack, and a spare tire carrier. The gray tank drain is located on the driver's side of the pathway, which can be easily hooked up to a hose and placed into a dumping station. Additionally, on the driver's side of the pathway, you'll find 2 access doors. One is for the Dometic-style cassette toilet, as well as exterior access to the interior of the vehicle. As soon as you leave the Maxvan factory, you'll have everything that you need to immediately start camping. We wanted to thank you for joining us on the tour of the Pathway RV. This is a great option for a disabled family member, whether it be an adult or child, to get out and to see the open world. Whether it be the 8-inch bump out providing an extra wide aisle, or the open shower system to the 14-degree ramp angle, all the way down to the Dometic cassette toilet, this design will make things extremely easy for you and your family to enjoy the great outdoors. For further information on the Pathway RV, feel free to visit us at www.maxvan.com or email us or give us a call at the information listed below.